actually just, the program is in the machine. Now I'm just sitting here running it as it cuts. Here you see the machinist cut out a couple of the boards. There's a couple of the boards right there. I'm going to show you the next process in the pedal boards. The next one is I clean them. This is getting ready for the cooking of the boards once I put the cleaning solution on them, right before they get powder coated. I clean them with a cleaner. It used to be we could spray them, but now we have to hand clean them because of the amount of fluorocarbons or whatever when you spray it. But anyway, I hand wipe them with this cleaning solution. And so I have to hand wipe every board, every power supply bracket. Then I have to go back, and every hole where there's a PIM nut has to have a little stopper in it so it don't clog up the stuff. So people want to know about the boards. This is the process. It's a very intense process, and it's a long process. So you can understand about the boards. The quality of the boards are all hand done. Laser cut, press bent, countersunk, and everything else by a person to sit there and do it one thing at a time. I'm just going to show you some of the boards at the shop. There's some 3-tier 36 inchers. There's 2-tier 24 and 2-tier 30 and 2-tier 36 inch. Here are 1-tier 18-inch boards. There's boards in the cases. Over here we've got 1-tier 24-inch wide boards and boards in the cases, both the soft cases and the hard cases. Down here we have all kinds of 1-tier 18-inch in the hard cases. We have 2-tier 24-inch, 2-tier 30 and 2-tier 36-inch in the cases. Over here we have 2-tier 18-inch in hard cases. Up here are some in the soft cases, and there's all kinds of boards. This is the 18-inch single tier special. There, it's in the case. That's what it looks like. There's plenty of room for your pedals and so on when you close it up. This is a 18-inch single tier. You get the board, you get on the back, there's a patch bay. You get the AC inlet and the distribution system. You get the 2 high current USB charge ports, an AC outlet at the top of your board. You get an inlet for your signal in, signal out. You can change the power from coming in on the left side to the right side, depending on your hand. They come with a power supply bracket that is pressure fit that will fit anybody's power supply on the market up to the Chuck's Chuck-a-Lot. Underneath the AC distribution system is the AC inlet, which is here. You have a splitter, which runs over here to run your, right here, comes over and it runs your USB hub. And it also gives you a split off. And that is the 1-tier 18-inch. This is the case. It's a Rockhouse case. Has a big pocket. It has a strap. And the board has semi-rigid sides. It's padded like that. You know, it's the Rock House case. And they're pretty decent, man. The material's pretty heavy duty, the handle's pretty heavy duty, and it's padded pretty well. It's like about a 1/2 inch of padding foam. And this is a 18-inch blackout board. All the hardware is black. The board is black. It has all the same things. It just has the Ghostfire case. And it's really nice. It's got the little thing, little strap in there to hold the board in. It's got really good material. The handle's pretty heavy duty. It's got a strap and it's got the big pocket. Here are the other style cases, the Ghostfire. And they have like this nice material and handle. They have the pocket here in the front. And it's a big pocket, so it'll fit a lot of stuff. Then on the back, it has a little thing, a little sleeve. So if you're pulling this on your aircraft luggage cart, you can just put it up through the handle up through there and pull it. Here is one of the 24-inch. There's the Rock House case for it, just like the others. It's a little bit bigger. It has all the same stuff. It has the AC, the USB. It has silver hardware. It has an in, an out, and then 4 more holes for other things. It has power supply, the AC distro system, ready to go. Here is the 2-tier 24-inch, and it is the ATA case and the board. And like I said, it has the handles, the wheels, very good hardware. The bottom foam is a real stiff, hard foam, so it doesn't deteriorate over time. The sides is the same kind, and the top is the same kind, so that the board will never deteriorate the foam. And foam's really nice. And if you want soft foam, you can just cut a piece of any kind of foam and put up on top to fit in, and that'll protect your board and your pedals and everything. And the other foam is really good for protecting. You don't really need it, but some people want soft for some reason. That's what we got. Like I said, we also have some of these other boards in stock. We don't have specials on all of them, but here are the 2-tier 24s we have specials on. Here are 2-tier 30 and 36-inch boards. There is 3-tier 30 and 36-inch boards. And then I have some old B-stock models laying around here and there. So, we may be able to set you up with all kinds of stuff